Hello guys, as a content creator who does a lot of POV driving videos, I've seen, witnessed and encountered numerous road accidents and incidents over the years. It's something that happens more often than many people realize, and every drive serves as a reminder of the importance of staying alert and driving responsibly. Nowadays, having a dash cam is no longer a matter of whether you want one or not. It has become a necessity. A dash cam not only provides crucial evidence in the event of a road accident, but it can also help others by supplying footage that may serve as proof and reveal the truth behind an incident. In many situations, a dash cam can protect innocent parties, clarify disputes, and assist authorities in determining what really happened. Hi guys, as dash cams have become more of a necessity than an option, you might be thinking about getting one for your car. If that's the case, I'd like to recommend the 70mai A810 Lite dash cam that I'm using here. It comes with all the essential features for daily driving, giving you peace of mind by recording your trips and capturing important footage whenever it's needed. So I'll start with the unboxing and introduction of the 70mai A810 Lite dash cam. As you can see from the box, it comes as a complete set, including the dash cam and all the necessary accessories. These are the user manuals for both the front main dash cam and the rear dash cam. And these are the adhesive mounts used for sticking the dash cams onto the front windscreen and rear window, especially if you're doing a self-installation. Now here comes the main part. This is the 70mai A810 Lite dash cam. The 70mai A810 Lite is a compact 4K dash cam designed to deliver high-quality video recording, smart connectivity, and parking protection, all at a more affordable price compared to the flagship A810 model. Now this is what the rear dash cam looks like, small and compact. This is the power connector cable for both the front and rear dash cams. It comes with a good length, allowing it to be neatly routed along the roof liner for clean and tidy cable management. And this is the power socket that plugs into your car's power outlet, allowing it to connect and supply power to the dash cam system. This is the mount for the main dash cam. It comes as a separate piece so that when you need to remove the dash cam, you can simply detach the main unit without taking off the mount from the windscreen. There are also some cable clips included, which help keep your wiring neatly secured for a clean and tidy installation. This is the optional hardwire kit. If you want to hardwire your dash cam for a more permanent setup and enable features like parking monitoring, you can also get this accessory. Dash cam also supports an optional 4G connectivity hardwire kit. It enables remote monitoring, live viewing, vehicle location tracking, and instant alerts through the 70mai app. The 4G function itself requires a SIM card with a mobile data plan, as the SIM provides the internet connection for the dash cam to go online. It also comes with a SIM card slot and a SIM eject tool for easy installation and setup. The front dash cam records in true 4K resolution, delivering highly detailed, sharp and crisp footage with excellent clarity. It captures fine details on the road, making it easier to identify key elements such as license plates of nearby cars, motorcycles, pedestrians and traffic signs even at a distance or in fast-moving scenes. This high-resolution recording helps improve overall evidence quality, especially in situations like accidents or disputes where clear visual proof is important. While the rear dashcam is not as high in resolution as the front unit, it still performs reliably and gets the job done well. The footage remains clear enough to capture important details such as license plates of nearby vehicles even in moving traffic, providing useful rear coverage for added safety and evidence recording. At night, it performs quite well thanks to its large f1.55 aperture and optimized image processing. The wide aperture allows more light to enter the lens, which helps improve brightness and reduce noise in low light conditions. As a result, night footage appears clearer and more usable, especially in urban areas with street lighting. Details like license plates, headlights, tail lights, and road markings are still visible in many normal driving situations, although very fast-moving or poorly lit scenes can naturally be more challenging, as with most dash cams. Overall, the night shot capability is tuned to provide balanced brightness, controlled glare from headlights, and improved clarity, making it reliable for night driving and incident recording. At night, the rear camera still provides usable and clear footage, although it is naturally less detailed than the front camera due to lower resolution and less lighting behind the vehicle. With support from nearby street lighting and vehicle headlights, it can still capture surrounding traffic brake lights and nearby license plates in moderate distance. However, in very dark roads or high-speed situations, fine details may be less sharp compared to daytime or the front camera. Overall, the night rear recording is designed mainly for general situational awareness and incident evidence, and it performs well for its purpose in most everyday driving conditions. For the 4G connectivity and features, you can use the remote surveillance function. Once your phone is connected to the 4G enabled device, you are able to remotely access and trigger both the front and rear cameras, as well as capture videos and photos directly from your mobile device. In the settings, you can adjust the recording duration, enable or disable collision detection, fine-tune the sensitivity level, and turn time-lapse photography on or off. Besides that, you can also use the mobile app to locate and track your vehicle, allowing you to check its real-time position and see where it is currently located. You can also monitor your vehicle's battery usage through the app, giving you insight into power status and consumption while the dash cam is in use. In the alarm center, you'll receive notifications whenever vibration or impact is detected on your vehicle, and it will also automatically send the emergency recorded video to the app storage, allowing you to view or retrieve the footage anytime. In the data service section, you can top up your existing plan or subscribe to a new available plan based on the options and information provided in the app. The 70mai A810 dash cam features true 4K front recording 3840x2160, a large f1.55 aperture for improved low light and nighttime footage, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, a compact design, and USB-C power input. It also adopts a supercapacitor and button cell battery combination instead of a conventional lithium-ion battery, offering better durability, reliability, and heat resistance. This makes it particularly well suited for hot weather environments such as Malaysia. The 70mai A810 Lite supports an optional rear camera for dual recording, capturing 1080p Full HD with a 130-degree wide view behind the vehicle. Let's start with the main dashcam unit itself. From the display, you can clearly see the front-facing camera view, giving you a live feed of the road ahead while driving. The system also supports switching between camera views, so you can toggle to the rear camera feed when needed. In addition, it allows you to mirror the rear camera footage onto the main screen, and similarly, you can switch the front view to the rear view interface, giving you flexible control over how both feeds are displayed. When the dashcam detects a sudden incident, such as a collision, hard braking, or strong impact, it will automatically secure the current video segment, preventing it from being overwritten by loop recording. This protected footage is then saved in a separate emergency or event folder for easy access later. You can also manually activate emergency recording by pressing the device button or using the app, which instantly locks and saves the current clip. If surveillance mode or parking monitoring is enabled, emergency recording can still be triggered. In the album menu, you can view all recorded videos directly on the dashcam screen, allowing you to play back footage captured by the device easily. You can also view the photos that have been captured in addition to the recorded video clips. In the video settings, you can choose the video encoding format for recording. You can choose between high compression or low compression depending on your preference. High compression saves more storage space by reducing file size, while low compression retains higher video quality but uses more memory. For video resolution, you can select either 4K 3840 x2160 for higher detail and clarity, or Full HD 1920x1080 for a smaller file size and smoother storage usage. You can also enable or disable HDR, High Dynamic Range, for video recording depending on lighting conditions. In addition, the HDR feature can be set on a scheduled timer, allowing it to automatically turn on or off at a specific time. You can also set the video recording duration with options of 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes per clip. You can also enable or disable on-screen overlays such as the 70mai logo, speed watermark, and GPS coordinates watermark depending on your preference. There is also an anti-flicker setting where you can select either 50 Hz or 60 Hz depending on your region's electrical frequency. You also have options for the rear camera settings, including rear recording mirroring and camera flipping, which you can enable or disable depending on how you want the rear footage to be displayed. Lastly, you can enable the remote live view when powered on feature, allowing you to access a live camera feed remotely whenever the dash cam is turned on. Now moving on to the parking security, a parking surveillance function. You can customize how long the dashcam stays active while the vehicle is parked. The available options include 24 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, or unlimited, depending on how long you want the system to monitor your car when it is stationary. Next is the collision detection function, which you can turn on or off as needed. It also allows you to adjust the sensitivity level to control how easily an impact or vibration will trigger recording. In addition, you can set a delay timer after the engine is turned off for when the parking mode should start, and enable or disable the indicator notification to show when collision detection is active. There is also time-lapse recording, which you can turn on or off for continuous parking surveillance in a low file size mode. In addition, you can set the vehicle battery protection threshold, allowing the dashcam to stop drawing power from your car once the battery voltage drops to a selected level, helping prevent your car battery from draining too low. In the Smart Travel section, you can enable or disable features such as emergency video recording, driver fatigue reminder, and voice control for hands-free operation. In the sound settings, You can turn the system tone on or off, enable or disable the emergency video alert sound, adjust the speaker volume, control button sound feedback, and toggle audio recording on or off. Lastly, in the system settings, you can manage Wi-Fi options such as enabling the Wi-Fi hotspot, setting the hotspot to turn on automatically at startup, and selecting the Wi-Fi frequency band between 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz depending on your connection preference. For screen standby mode, you can choose to display a clock screensaver, a speed screensaver, or completely turn off the screen when idle. There is also a system time setting allowing you to adjust date and time preferences as well as system language options with a wide range of supported languages available on the device for user convenience. You can also set the date format, choose between 12-hour or 24-hour time format, and adjust other time display preferences according to your liking. For the speed unit, you can choose between km, H or mph depending on your region and personal preference. There is also a positioning status display for your reference. There is also a download app function and system information section that shows device details such as firmware version and system status. All of the device functions can also be controlled or configured through the 70mai mobile app once it is connected to your smartphone, giving you full remote access to settings and controls directly from your phone. The 70mai A810 Lite is a strong dashcam overall with a sharp 4K front camera and a reliable rear camera for basic coverage. It performs well day and night, making it a solid choice for everyday driving and incident recording. If you're interested in purchasing this device, simply use the link provided in the video description below or scan the QR code to place your order. I'm Anthony Loh. Thank you for watching.